If you think blockchain is just about cryptocurrency, think again. Today, blockchain is transforming industries like finance, healthcare, supply chains, and business contracts. Understanding it is a career advantage and a skill every professional should know. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In this video, we're breaking down blockchain technology for beginners, what it is, how it works, real-world applications, and why it matters today and in the near future. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger shared across a network that records transactions in a way that is secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Think of it like a Google Sheet that everyone can see and verify, but no one can secretly change. Each entry is called a block, and blocks are linked together to form a chain. Once something is added, it can't be altered without everyone knowing. This creates trust even when the participants do not know each other. How do blockchains work? Here's the simple process. First, a transaction occurs, like sending money, signing a contract, or tracking a shipment. Next, the network verifies it using computers called nodes. Then, the verified transaction is added to a block. And then blocks are added to the chain in order, creating a permanent record that is secure and transparent. This structure is what makes blockchain reliable and useful across industries. Blockchain is no longer just a concept, it's used every day in business, finance, and banking, faster payments, fraud prevention, and smart contracts. Supply chains, track products, prevent counterfeits, and improve transparency. Healthcare, secure patient records, safe data transfers, and medication tracking. Identity and security, digital identity, verification and secure logins. Legal and business workflows, automate agreements, approvals, and payments. Government and public services, voting, land titles, and public records. Blockchain is becoming essential for trust, transparency, and efficiency. Why blockchain matters? Learning blockchain now gives you a professional advantage because it applies across many industries. It is in high demand by employers. You build skills you can use in multiple career paths and prepares you to take deeper courses with a strong foundation. Want to learn more? Check out our top recommended online blockchain courses for professionals. Some courses offer free enrollment. Click the links below to explore. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly training courses, reviews, and career tips. Visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com for more professional development resources. Thanks for watching.